Livestock, especially dairy production, is a keystone for food security and malnutrition prevention in Rwanda. Thanks to the government of Rwanda's efforts, through different programs such as Girinka, literally translated as 1 cow per poor family program, and other programs, the dairy sector has experienced significant growth and milk production has doubled over the last 10 years. Despite evident achievements, the cattle production systems face several challenges, particularly in terms of feed and reproduction management, which limit their full potential.
In this project, we aimed to provide a proof of concept using IT tools to support dairy farmers, being more viable in their business and having more productivity. We had 2 specific objectives. The first specific objective was to create an application which would support farmers actually to be able to create balanced diet for their cattle using the locally available feedstuff. And the specific objective number 2 was to validate an early diagnostic laboratory method which would help farmers knowing whether their cattle are pregnant or not.
The project helped us to come up with new guidelines. We try to review our guidelines and the SOPs given the challenge that farmers and our technicians are facing, so that we can incorporate in our curriculums that we do while we are training new examinators, but also some SOPs that guiding the practices of AI in Rwanda.
We have already created the application, which is locally known as Zirakamwa. And this application is available in Play Store. It can be downloaded by anyone with a smartphone.
They gave us the application, mobile application, which help us to formulate the feed for our dairy cows and to make a farm assessment.
They have trained us to use the rapid pregnancy test, which is helping us to detect pregnancy within 30 days post-AI service.
We have used the kits to provide a proof of concept that the kits can help the farmers having 1 calf per cow per year, because this is the objective. And overall, we have a success rate of 75% compared to the control group, which we didn't apply the other early diagnostic method.
By integrating these products into their businesses, farmers can expect to witness a notable uplift in efficiency and profitability within their farms.
The project is a success, and looking forward, we think that in the sustainability of the project deliverables, the application is available for farmers to use, and the early diagnostic kit is already available on the local market and can be bought by farmers for their dairy farm management.